population of Jaipur, India is 3.1 million people.
The Jaipur elevation is 1,414 feet. The latitude and longitude of Jaipur is 26.9 degrees north and 75.8 degrees east.
Let's get to the climate.
Jaipur has a monsoon-influenced hot semi-arid climate. Summer is long and extremely hot, while winter is short and mild. The highest temperature ever recorded was 119 degrees Fahrenheit. The lowest ever temperature recorded was 28 degrees Fahrenheit. Jaipur is a significant urban heat island zone with surrounding rural temperatures. The air mass over Jaipur is continental tropical. They originate over low-latitude blizzards produced by the subtropical ridge over large areas of land. And now to the daily weather.
Today, March 2nd in Jaipur, it is sunny and currently 67 degrees Fahrenheit with a real feel of 67 degrees Fahrenheit as well. The high low for today is 62 degrees. The wind is blowing in from the northeast at about 4 miles per hour with a cloud cover of 2 out of 8. There hasn't been any precipitation today, as of right now. Jaipur has a current dew point of 59 degrees and a humidity of 76%. The barometric pressure is 29.91 inches. Now let's take a look at the weather for the next few days. Tomorrow, March 3rd, it will be sunny with a high low of 64.62. The following 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, will be partly cloudy with highs around 80 and lows around 60.
And now to the commercial break. Bye.
Dang, I really want to go on a vacation, but I don't know where to.
You should visit Jaipur.
But when?
You should go in winter, which is from November to March. The average temperature then is from 47 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, you should not go in summer because it's very, very, very hot. Also, you should go in January because it's a kite festival, or maybe in March when it's the elephant festival.
Gee, that sounds like a lot of fun. I think I'll visit Jaipur.
Visit Jaipur!
Welcome back from the commercial.
Now I want to go to Jaipur. Me too.
Sounds like a good time. Now we're going to discuss average temperature. The lowest average temperatures take place in January with about 47 degrees Fahrenheit, while the highest temperatures take place in May and June with temperatures over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Jaipur's temperatures range from low 70s to over 100 for the highs, and high 40s to low 80s for the lows. Now to live for precipitation.
The rainy season in Jaipur is in July and August. Jaipur has dry periods in January, February, March, April, May, October, November, and December. On average, July is the wettest month. On average, March is the driest month. The average amount of annual precipitation is 635 millimeters, and that's 25 inches. Now to amount of daylight.
Jaipur experiences the least amount of daylight, with 10.5 hours on average. Like other places in the Northern Hemisphere, from December to June, Jaipur increases in the daylight amount and decreases in the other months. Now to Ashton. Oh, frick! Now to Ashton with
Stars.
With stars.
Dust storms are quite common in Jaipur, but are very unpredictable, which could mean a lot of damage and destruction to the area. In April of 2019, Jaipur yielded a destructive dust storm, which was followed by high winds, rain, lightning, and power outages. Now, a quick commercial break.
Visiting Jaipur, I have no idea what to pack.
Jaipur's and India's culture maintains a modest style for respectful and religious reasons. Wear modest clothing to be respectful. Pack comfortable sneakers for walking, sunglasses, a brimmed hat,
Lightweight and breathable clothing and long pants for modesty and respect. Jaipur is very warm, so pack these to keep cool.
Wow, thanks!
Visit Jaipur! Visit Jaipur!
Welcome back from that quick commercial.
Now I can go home and know what to pack.
Now we're going to talk about dry and rainy seasons in Jaipur. At the start of the year in January, Jaipur is in the middle of its dry season with 0 to 1 rainy days during the entire month. In February, rainy days increase to 1 to 2 days, but the month is still in the middle of the dry season. Dry season continues until May, which is the transition month between dry and rainy season. In June, 4 rainy days occur in average, while in July and August, the number jumps way up to 10 to 12 days, making July and August the peak of rainy season. In September, it drops back down to 4 days, and then transitions in October. Dry season then starts over again, and continues for the rest of the year, with 0 to 1 rainy days. Now to Ashton with clouds.
Skies in Jaipur are typically very clear from the beginning of September all the way through the end of June. The clearest days usually take place in the middle of October. The end of June through the beginning of September is the cloudiest part of the year, with the cloudiest days happening during the end of July, which is in the middle of rainy season.